welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. In today's video, we're going to learn a super fun and sexy ladies salsa shine. It's going to be a count of 8 measures and it's going to be focusing in new footwork. Well, along with body movement and arm styling, but we're going to be learning new footwork. It's a little bit more intermediate, so if you're up to the challenge, let's go for it. Okie dokie, let's break it down, you guys. So for the first count of 8 we have, I'm going to turn around so you ladies can see better. Yes, so I'm turning around and I'm going to do the footwork and then I'm going to be adding the arm styling. So first we have 1, 2, 3 of the basic and then we go side cucaracha and cross. 5, 6, 7. All right, so now let's add the arms. I'm going to do the arms first facing you because then you can have a clear view, and then I'm going to do it the opposite direction. Okay, so for the 1, 2, 3, simply we just do shoulder 1, 2, and then on 3 we do, if you are not familiar with my arm styling, I suggest you watch this video. So this is going to be a pain in the wall. Actually, it's a little bit more of the peacock. All right, so one more time. We're here. We go 1, 2, 3, and then on 5, you're going to go behind your neck and you're going to reach and let down. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to do it. Now, the footwork along with the arms turning that way, facing that way. Okay, so we're here, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, from here we go 5, 6, 7. All right, so I'm here. For 1, 2, 3 we point to the side, we step and point to the side. I like adding a little bit of body roll there, so let's try that together. So we finish here, right? And then we go 1, 2, 3. Yes? From there, 5, 6, 7 is going to be a Suzy Q. So we cross, twist, on twist and twist. Suzy Q happens on the ball of your feet all the time. If you're not familiar with Suzy Q, then you can watch this video and there's the explanation there. All right, you guys, so now let's add the arms for the second count. We finished, hold on, we finished here, yes? So, and here. Now, we're gonna go inside of our right arm, so bring your elbow towards your left ear, yeah, as you do your point and body roll-ish, yeah. So we're here, we go and 1, and then you just leave this hand here, 2, 3, yes. Now for 5, 6, 7, we're just gonna do 5, 6, 7, keeping your hands nice and very feminine here, okay. So we go 5, 6, 7. All right, now let's put it together along with the footwork. I'm turning around. Ready? 5, 6. Oh, we finish here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. We're almost there, you guys. Now for count 3, I'm going to turn around to do the footwork. So we finish here. Yes? Now we're going to do and 1. So step, point. Yeah, one more time. And 1, and then 2, 3, and then we do a regular 3-step left turn. So we go 5, 6, 7. Okay? All right, let's try it one more time because this one is a little tricky. So we go and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys, now for the hands, we finished here, yes? So we're gonna do kind of like painting the wall, a 1, and then 2, 3, we switch, yes? And then we go, and 5, and 3, and then and 5, 6, 7. We keep the hands here again. All right, I'm gonna turn around. Okay, so we're here, and then we go, and 1, 2, 3, yes? So we finish here on 3, and then on 5, we take our hands to the side, 5, 6, 7. Feel free to add a little bit of the hair whip at the end on 7. Just, if you feel like sassy, and if you can control your balance. So we go, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now for count number 4, I'm going to turn around to do the footwork. We finish here on the turn, and then we have another Suzy Q. And 1, 2, 3, and then we go point with your toes, so toe to toe, and then heel, yes, super close to your toes, so toe to heel, and then we go step. One more time, we finish here, we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's add the arms. So we finish here, and then we are gonna take it super simple. Shoulder, 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 and that's it. So we go 1, 2, and 3. We leave the hands here, and then we just do footwork there. 5, 6, 7. Simple. Turning around. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to do count number 5 and 6 together just because they blend in, right? So I'm going to turn around. I'm here. I finish here. And then we do kind of like a reverse body roll. So step to the side, send your hips first, and then belly button, and then chest. If you're having issues with the body rolls, there is another video. Okay, so we're here one more time. We go and 1, 2, and then just switch weight, yeah? And then we are going diagonal, wall, wall. So we go 3, 4. Let me do the count again. So now I'm gonna go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, turn around. That's my front, and then I just go and I do upper body movement here, isolations. Yes, if you're having issues with isolations, there's a video right here. Okay, now let's add the arms. The arms are super simple because they just go with it, okay? This is happening. Boom, ba, boom, ba, okay? So I'm gonna show you from behind. This is what's happening. Boom, ba, boom, ba. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go 5, 6, 7, 8. For this, you can keep your hands here or here. It's up to you. All right? So, let's practice it. We're almost there. Count to number 7 is called the Cuban breaks. Okay, so how do you do Cuban breaks? Like super quickly explained. I'm going to face you first so you can see. Actually, I'm going to do this direction. Okay, so pretty much, I think we finish here. You put the weight on 8, specifically speaking of this routine, and then you bring your right foot forward only the ball of the foot as you bring your heel up, yeah? So your knees are doing this, and hip is coming forward, and pa, 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 tick, tick, tick. So ball flat on the left foot. You see this? Ball flat, and only ball of the right foot. One more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Okay? When I do it this way, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, turning around. I'm here. I finished here because we did the boom, boom, boom. I put the weight. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I stay on the right foot because then we have the grapevine. Okay, now arms. Well, I think it makes more sense if I just turn around and do it all together super slowly. We finish here, yeah? So now this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go, this hand is like painting the wall or peacock, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just stay there. That's it. Woo, we made it to the end. So now for count number 8, I have the grapevine, which everyone is familiar with. So we just finished here, yeah? Now, this is what we're gonna do. Grapevine goes forward side, back side, forward side, until you get tired. So right now we're gonna start with the left foot. We go cross in front, side, cross behind, side, cross in front, side, and go. Let's do the count because I think I did too many. So we finish here. We just did this, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end, I added a little bit of the hip tilt that it's created by putting pressure on the ball of the foot. Boom. Yeah? Okay, so let's do it one more time. Hands, super simple. They just stay here. Yeah? Look at this video because if you want to add some hands, you can add this kind of hands, which is just the regular ballroom or natural looking hands, okay? So explanation is here. So let's just go right into putting it together. Yes? All right. So we're here. We go 5, 6. We finish here. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And because you stayed until the end, guess what? I'm gonna give you a bonus. So instead of doing the grapevine, if you feel a little bit more sassy, like if you feel like, hey, I need a challenge, yes? Guess what? Well, you can do the bachacadas, okay? So we finish here, and then right away you're just gonna go into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. For watching. If you like my video so far, please go ahead and like, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, please do not forget to click on the notification button because that way you will not miss a single thing. I'm uploading videos every week, trying to. Thank you guys, and again, comments, sharing, and all the love and support are welcome. Thank you guys. See you next week.